You don't have to use gel for every hairstyle, okay? It is achievable. I mean, look. Oh, gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Michelle, and in this video I am going to be showing you guys how to achieve this gorgeous half up, half down hairstyle using crochet hair that I made. Okay, you don't have to break the bank, you can make your own crochet hair. And also, these braids, I do not use any gel. So basically it's a tutorial to show you how to do this cute half up, half down hairstyle with DIY crochet hair and without using any gel to do your hair. I don't know if anyone else is like me. The gel aggravates my scalp. Like, I'm tired. So now I'm just trying new things. I mean, back in the day we never used to use gel and our scalps were better. Mine, it was better. But this gel stuff, so I am definitely trying to bring those type of hairstyles because not everyone likes gel. So yeah, stay tuned and I hope you learned something. I'll catch you at the end of the video. Enjoy! But I'm not gonna put on my scalp. So I just wanted to speak on why I don't want to use gel. I think I already said it in the beginning of my video, but like you guys, gel aggravates my scalp and I am tired of it. I'm so tired of it, and I just want to normalize that I don't need to use gel for my braids, okay? Just because stylists these days they use gel, it doesn't mean I have to and suffer, you know? So that's why I'm not using it. My scalp gets so dry, it gets so itchy, it gets so flaky, and it's just ridiculous, and I'm now tired of it. And I'm just gonna get back to the basics. Just get back to the basics. So that's just the plane I'm on. Getting back to the basics. Yeah. So for that one, the last braid, I added gel over there because my baby hairs were like so small and I didn't want to risk like pulling them too tight. So at least the gel helped to grip them and not too tight as well. So yeah, that's why I put gel, but just there, not in the middle or directly onto my scalp. Stay tuned for the tutorial because you're gonna save a coin. Okay, guys, so this is the braid pattern I just went with. Nothing fancy, doesn't have to be perfect. And this is a glimpse of how I created the crochet hair. So stay tuned for that tutorial. And yeah, you guys, I really apologize. I really have no idea what happened with my lighting. I think the light was off. I don't remember. And it was also so blurry. I tried to fix it, but it is what it is. Please just bear with me. It's so full. Look at this. so full. I am amazed at this.
Yes, I was really, really, really amazed because it came out really nice. But anyone can do this. You can even start your own business of selling crochet hair. Just make it. Just wait for the tutorial. You'll see.
Girl, and this like hair is probably like how much? Like $8 for hair like this, like for just crochet hair, and I did it with $2. Girl, let's see how many more we need.
Yes, I really was amazed that I was able to get all of this crochet hair from less than 2 packs of braiding hair, which costs $1 in my country. I was amazed. I really was.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so now it's time to add the beads. The beads. So I just used my crochet hook, my crochet latch hook to put the beads in because I don't have that bead thingy, whatever they use for that. But yeah, it was doable. I then used a, what did I use? A rubber band? Yes, a small rubber band. So I tied the bead so that it doesn't slip off. I tied the bead onto the braiding hair. Yeah, that's what I did. And then after I put the beads on, I burnt it with my flat iron, and then I cut off like the end so that, yeah, once I knew it was secure. Yep, that's what I did, but I lost the clip. And voila, you guys, this is the finished look. I am just shaping it in a way that I like and cutting off long pieces so that everything is uniform. Can you see what I meant when I said it looks so natural, like it's coming out of my scalp? Oh my goodness. I think this hair is going to be so versatile. I love it.
So you guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If I brought value to you in this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video.
And I'm sure you've seen,
you don't have to use gel for every hairstyle, okay? It is achievable. I mean, look. I mean, of course it may not be that sleek as compared to the gel, but you know what? I'm happy and my scalp is not aggravated, so it's a win-win. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, stay blessed. Peace. I'm out.